Exposing the secrets in Clash Royale emotes. Because who doesn't want to spam that crying king? These are the top 5 ways to score every emote, fast. Time to level up your reactions. First up, hit the in-game shop. Check the emotes section below daily deals for 3 random emotes. Each costs 250 gems. Watch for special bundles too, but those might take some real-life loot. Second, special events and challenges. Tap the Events tab, pick a challenge, and grind for those wins. Exclusive emotes are up for grabs if you crush it. Third, Pass Royale. Buy the Season Pass, make it to Step 5, and boom, exclusive emote unlocked. Easy dubs every season. Fourth, Trophy Road and Path of Legends. Hit those trophy milestones, like 2200 or 4000, and score classic emotes forever. Push to Ultimate Champion for even more swag. Fifth, promo codes and Supercell ID. Link your account for a free Heyday Chicken emote. Check Supercell socials for codes, like Blow Them Away or Angry Furnace, and redeem them quick before they vanish. Remember, not every emote is always available, so grab what you can now. Good luck, and may your emotes always tilt your enemies.